Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to unpin a chat on Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to unpin a chat on Telegram, first we'll be required to open the Telegram app itself on our phone. And on this interface, guys, all of your chat will be over here, whereas the chat which you had pinned earlier on your Telegram account will be at the top of the screen over here like this, guys. Now you can see the pin icon appearing at the right side of that chat. Now in order to unpin it, simply tap and hold down on the chat box, and you can see the moment a green tick mark appears at the profile picture, a bunch of items will be available for us at the top of the screen. Now in order to unpin it, you can see the first icon just beside the mute icon. This one, it says this is the unpin chat option. Now in order to unpin it, tap on it and that chat will be unpinned on your Telegram account. And with that being said, guys, this is how to unpin a chat on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.